In this video, we're going to show you how to get rid of hard water that ruins your appliances, increases utility bills, and creates scale buildup on your fixtures. If you want to get rid of slimy hard water once and for all, then this video is for you. As always, we'll include our exclusive discounts and additional info on these products in the description box below. The EVO Whole House Salt-Free Water Conditioner. Utilizing the latest in high-performance salt-free conditioning technology, the EVO is specifically designed for worry-free water from every tap in your home without the negative effects of salt and hard water scale. The EVO system also comes with a 20-inch pre-sediment filter to remove silt and debris as water enters your home, which helps protect your system for the long term. Since the system does not require any salt, electricity, or drain line to operate, it is virtually maintenance-free. And the cartridge does not need replacement since the eSoft salt-free conditioner physically alters the water's composition rather than chemically altering it like an ion exchange process. Unlike many competitors which only address future scale, the EVO water softener system will not only prevent future scale from forming in your plumbing, but it'll also remove existing scale formation. The best part is you get all this without a drop in water pressure. The EVO has the capacity to support a house with up to 6 bathrooms and has a huge max flow rate of up to 15 gallons per minute. What we especially like is since it's a cartridge-based system, it has a smaller footprint than tank-based systems. Installation is made simple with the easy water in, water out design that only requires 2 connections. Most DIY folks can complete the task in under 60 minutes. The pros are that it's backed by an industry-leading lifetime warranty. It doesn't require any salt or chemical to remove scale buildup. It's made in the USA with only certified premium components, and it comes ready for use with easy installation. The cons are that it works best for homes with less than 6 bathrooms, and it's best suited for city or municipal water sources. Don't forget to check the description box below for more water softener information and special discount prices. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single video on your favorite products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.